So make we look these data them today. The thing when I want teach not just formulas and functions. So formula and function they resemble each other, but formula now the thing where you bring together by yourself. So for example, make we first make this thing open well. So like I teach for the last one, if you highlight from this A go reach K, anywhere where you like, if you click for the sheet, it go expand or open everything up for you. I go need to master my Pidgin. So now when we don't open everything, we go feel they see wetin we dey do. Now this one talk say student ID, age. It's my laptop disappear, they stress me. Student ID, age, gender, study hours per day, sleep hours per night, part-time, extracurricular involvement, AI tool usage per you wanna keep me, yeah? AI tool usage hours per week, previous semester GPA, productivity score, and performance category. As we dey look this data, make we dey think wetin we wan use am do. One thing wey I go want make una know be for Excel and Power BI, or make we first face Excel. Now when anything the thing wey dey for right, like number dey for right, e dey fit sum up, okay? But student ID, I no go talk say na number, because na wetin dey identify people, and the thing wey dey identify Mr. A no be him go identify Mr. B. So normally, for the purpose of make una understand, because me I fit leave am like this, I go understand say I no go sum student ID, because student ID no be wetin wey you go add together. When I talk about sum, I mean say what something wey you go add together. Student ID na something wey dey unique to a particular individual. So we fit come for this general, make we change student ID to text. So as you don't change to text, now it means say we not go fit. Okay, now student ID change to text. Make we on to not be waiting. I want to be that. So the column now we go change to text. Correct. Now waiting. I want to be that. So when you change them to text, it go move, go left. So the things will be text for each column, then they dey for left. The ones will be the things will be numbers where you feel add, they go dey for right. Now I don't know whether my explanation dey clear, but I will talk am one more again. Student ID na unique identifying number. We know the sum am, we know the add am up. So it good make it be waiting, make it be for text, so that we not go do the mistake of summing am. Summing am, which kind is that one? Anyway, like I talk, we will go back to what we they talk about. They talk about the difference between formula and function. So formula now the thing where you put together. I will show you example. For example, I want say for here, study hours per day. If I want sum the total study hours per day, I feel say it go too long if I do study hours per day for everybody. But make we say we want to do the first 5 as an example. So I go equal to. So formula they start with equal to. Function they start with equal to, right? So like formula, I go say study hours per day. Now we dey look. Instead of where I go 2.6 like many people go do, you go do 2.6 plus, look, this is my laptop, this one is stress me one. Okay, 2.6 plus 5.4 plus, I said the first 5 we go do, I mean 6.8 plus 1.7 plus 7.6, okay, equal to, so we equal to, just enter, it will give you the answer. So now like this many people go do their formula summation. But you see as this thing there, so the risk of this thing now be, for this number of study per hour, student ID number 1 is study hour per day na 2.6. If I change this 2.6 as an example, say I can't change them to 1, you see say for here this figure not change. And if to say I don't write total study hour, so hours, you see, as I do that change, so it go come affect the authenticity or the credibility of my data or report. So I will show you the right thing to do. I will take this one back to wetin e be, will be 2.6, and show you the right thing to do when you use Excel. So we'll go come out this one. Again, remember say formula, they start with equal to. Now I want to do the summation of the first 5. I go come here, I go click the cell, I go write plus, I go click the second cell, I go write plus, I go click the third cell, I go write plus, I go click the fourth cell, I go write plus, I go click the 5. I don't see her now. I don't see her. I will click the 5th cell. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I don't need that plus, I go come hit enter. It don't give me the same summation 24.1 as it give me when I enter am 1. But the difference be say for this place now, I go do the same thing when I do before. For student number 1, instead of the study hour per day to be 2.6, I go change them for 1. Keep your eyes for this place where I write formula 24.1. Now if I change this one to 1, you go see what thing go happen. You see say the thing don't reduce to 22.5. So now the difference between when you use formula, when you actually call the name of the cell, and when you just write the figure where they did. So the best practice actually now to do waiting to call the name of the cells. Now so you go take do formula. So formula now the things where you write by yourself. For example, I feel decide say for formula the thing where I want check now this one minus this one. You see say na me the write am by myself. That na formula. But when you come function na the one we don't already dey for Excel. Not be you the write am. Excel don't already write them down. And some of those function, if you click, okay, so if we go for up here, we'll go see formula. If I click formula, correct, you go see them where they dey here. So all these ones we don't dey here already. Na im be formula. And Excel tell you to say make you type a brief description of wetin you want do, and then make you click OK. I make you click go. Now no vex. Make you click go. But the truth be say most times you really need to tell Excel wetin you want do. So for example, if wetin I want do now sum I want to. If I click sum, I can't click go. Excel go give me a list of wetin Excel sum fit do, abi. So the first sum here, you see wetin e talk here. E say e dey add all the numbers in a range of cells. Wetin be range of cells? E depend on where you dey go, because remember say we talk say all these box, all these things wey dey here, there be cells. Like these things, may I cancel this one? These things na range, na cells dem be. Their name na cells. So this one na cell, this one na cell, this one na cell. So when e talk say add all the numbers in a range of cells, e depend the direction where you dey go. No vex, I don't press wetin I'm not supposed to press. Okay. So sum, not one for capital letter. Sum, come click go. So if the addition when I want to na go down, my range of cell go be go down. If my range of cell where I want to na go straight horizontally, now you go the column, e go be 1 2 3 like that, go front. So depending on the direction where you tell them to go, na be your range of cell. I hope that one dey clear. So yeah, so those are some of the functions where Excel get. We get sum, we get average, we get ifs, we get counts, we get max. Those ones are the one where I dey mostly use. Some if, and some other ones where not they show for here. And the good thing be, each time when you dey call the formula, they tell you wetin the formula they do. So that's now example of function. Okay, just to show you perhaps wetin function they do, I go use two functions. One go be sum and one go be divide as an example. So remember say just like formula, function they start with equals to. So make we use that sum where we use. You see as I click sum, it tell me say add all the numbers in a range of cells. And when you click function, they always come with brackets after the name of the function. Now in this case, we will assume say we want sum the study hours per day of all these 25 students. Wetin we go do, we fit just drag and go like this, okay? And then you close them. 26. Sorry, now this laptop no master me. So 26, we don't close brackets. If you not put brackets, it go put brackets for you anyway. So once we click, it don't give us the total, right? Okay, so we don't find the total of that number. Make we find the average of that number, of those numbers. So for average, we go just click average, and then we fit do Control Shift down, close bracket, and enter. It will give us the average number of sleep per day of all these 25 students. Now these are the difference between formula and function. So another thing where I want me to talk about, because we don't use sum now to just calculate total. See sum here. We don't do average. Another thing when I want to talk now, when we they use count. So the function where they call function wey they call count, I will just put on here count. Let do average. I will change this one to sum, so that here we'll change this one to sum. Average count. Now count, they count the number of cells wey get numbers. Now wetin count they do? You go count the number of cells wey no dey empty. Wey no dey empty. So for example, if we want count this row, say make we count the number. Imagine say the data big pass like this. We want to count the number of data, the number of rows wey dey there. If I do equal to count, may I go back because I won't read that definition for now. You say count the number of cells in a range that contains numbers. So the cell need to contain number before you go count them. Now remember, say I say when you hit count or you hit any function, make sure say the command the bracket, open bracket dey there. If open brackets no dey there, you go put open bracket. Now it's a range of cells. So wetin we go do be, may I first try something. If you go like this, close bracket, make we see. So it counts only the cells wey do wetin, wey get numbers. Now look from here to here. If I just do like this, you go see for here it dey show say 26, because true na 26. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26. You see the total count na 26. But because count go only count where number dey, even if the number na 0, as we see here, it count am. So it tell us say the number of cells so wey dey here wey carry number na wetin, na 26. Wey dey correct. However, we get another function wey they call count A. Okay, count A dey count cells wey get both number and alphabet. So using this same column as example, you know say for count, when we count from up here go reach down, click on here, you go see it counts from D1. So remember, D and 1 now be this place. Okay, it counts from D1 go reach D26. Okay, so see what did he talk here? He said count cell D1. This dot mean to D26. So it starts for here, it finish for here. Okay, it count am from beginning, but it exclude this one wey get study per day because it not be number. Be like say I dey press mouth for matter. I just want make it be say the thing when I dey talk they enter. So yeah, for count A, we go put equal to, remembering that function they always do it in, it starts with equal to sign. Now we will come put the function count A. Count A again, we go start from here. We go hit Control Shift down. It go highlight everything for us. We go come hit cover the bracket. If you hit enter, you see the difference. Here it counts 25, here it counts 26, because it don't count all the cells, whether number dey or number no dey. You get one when I see now where I won't use make we foresee as they work. So because of that, day 27. Okay. Day 27. Okay. So I see one will be count blank. Use capital letter. Count blank. Okay. Now make we read what's in that one they do. Equal to count blank. It say count the number of empty cells in a specific range of cells. It means say you go to read for the up go reach down. Since na up go reach down we dey do, you go to find the cell where they empty. Now we go choose them, count blank. We go come here again, Control Shift down. We go continue down, continue down. Okay. Then close bracket. You go see wetin e go tell us. So now only one blank 9 is see there, which is very correct. Now another function where we go talk about today na if function. Wetin be if function? If na conditional statement. Conditional statement. And wetin if they talk be? If A na 1, call am agbo. If A no be 1, call am ada. Something as an example like that. It's just straightforward. Conditional statement. If this na like this, call am like that. If no be like that, call am different thing. Okay? So now wetin if statements they do. But make we still wetin be the Oyibo definition. It say checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another value if false. Okay? Now we go select them because we need the comma. It's a logical test. Wetin we dey check? Now, for example, look at column C where we get male and female. When we talk say we want create a column. More just do only one for the sake of the place where we do. But I want create a column we go carry and go down. But more just do only one here. So now in go say logical test. So if under gender, if this cell, okay, if this cell equal to, so you go write them. Anything will be text for Excel, we dey put them for quotation mark. Otherwise, Excel no go know what you dey write. So if cell C2 equals me and this my laptop, okay, equals male, then you see as I don't write the logical test, if I put comma, it go tell me the next thing when I want write. So it says value if true. So if that cell na male dey there, me I want say write them for me as M. Okay. So if C2, if wetin dey C2 na male, write them for me for this place as M. If it not be true, you go put comma. As you don't write if na M you want. Then if it not be true, wetin you go return? I want make you write F for woman, for female. So no, capital letter. So F. Cool. So what did they talk there? Look at it say logical test. Okay, you can't put comma. You can't say value if true. You can't put comma. You can't say value if false. Now, what did it talk be? If this C2 na male, let me write them as short form of male M. But if this C2 not be male there, let me return them as female. Okay, now I go close them. If I put enter, you see what it do? It means say for here, waiting dey there now male. So it don't give me male. As an example, make we come play to see say I can't change this one to female. Okay, if you hit enter, you don't see say it changed to waiting, it changed to female. Okay, and if I can't change them, say no be even male, no be female, based on the condition when I write, because now only two things I tell them. If na male, put M. If no be male, put F. So even if I put something like chicken, it go still return them as F as long as no be M. Okay, but make we put them back to male. I hope that one dey clear, because yeah, male. So it don't go M. So I go stop here for today, and the next time we will continue for ifs, where the condition where you want give pass one if, or count if, where you want count conditions. Say, oh, let me count this thing. Oh, if this person na like this, okay, if the gender na male, okay, and in performance na medium, let me count how many them be. Then we also get count ifs, meaning the condition will pass one. Now that one we will do for our next video. For now, una thank you for una time. Una thank you as una dey help me manage my pidgin. But the most important thing be say, I want make una learn this thing, because if me I feel learn am, then I believe say if them talk am for the way person go understand, nobody will no feel learn am. We just need to put our mind for am. And one thing why I dey sure be say people where they speak pidgin will not they carry last. So until I do my next video, make una get a very good time, and make una help me like my video, make una help me share my video, so that I go dey motivated to do more video, and many people too go dey hear this pidgin, and you go to help them understand the thing will be like say it's too big, but we not really too big. And may not give me feedback too. Even I feel say get waiting I need to improve upon, may not tell me, because me too I just start to they do video and I never really master them. So now tell me what I need to do, what I need to improve upon, how I need to do I go like here from now. All right, so now thank you again. Bye.